There we have an 18-inch vertical bandsaw. We have it powered up so you watch it run. And here. The variable speed. The highest speed good. Shut off the machine. We checked out the welder. The welder works on here. The grinder. You're grinding your bandsaw blade. Okay. Just going to show you here that. You see inside here, there's a hairline crack going from here all the way up under here. See it better on the back side here. See it chipped the paint right here. Also the trunnion. This section of the trunnion broke. This is your base piece. So you can see right here, that just needs to be replaced. Have a work light here. Well, obviously it doesn't work anymore. Got a little smashed up. That can also be replaced. Other than that, it's in very good condition.